Press the bell icon and never miss any update from What's Up Bollywood.
When it's come to sexism, Bollywood has huge problem. Even thought the times have changed and many movies makers have decided some progressive and bold female protagonists. But it is quite disgusting how there are still many movies where Bollywood promoted female characters as dumb and stupid. Here are 6 dumb female characters in Bollywood movies that shows how Bollywood could do better job at writing female characters. First, Jaya Bachchan, Nandini in Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum. Nandini is shown as sentimental, overly emotional and mute mother who is married to an egoistic husband who let go of his own son. The son married women below his class and status but never gathered courage to stand up for him and her own desire and wishes. Second, Jacqueline Fernandez in Alisha in Judwaa 2. In case you are lucky enough, then you might not have watched this disgusting, disappointing movie. This movie is awful dumb, but it's women characters that are written to refine stupidity. What is shocking is the fact that even during the intimate days, when she spent time in bathtub with both the brothers, she never realized that there are 2 of them. While both the brothers act so differently, but the character Alisha expected to be so dumb that she never noticed the differences. Third, Amrita Rao's Sanjana in Main Hoon Na. Sanjana, played by Amrita Rao, falls for a boy Lakshman, who is so shallow that he believes in superficial beauty. Sanjana is shown so desperate to win Lakshman's affection that she prefers to change herself completely. She transforms herself to gully girl in pink salwar suit just for the man who believes beauty is external and refuses to see her good heart. Bollywood, you can definitely write better characters. Fourth, Aasin Kalpana in Ghajini. Shown as a struggling model, Kalpana has maturity of teenager. She keeps babbling just to prove her innocence. She falls in love with the complete stranger without knowing anything about him. He could be a stalker, killer or psychopath. But who cares? She spent days with him without suspecting that he is famous multi-billionaire tycoon. In the society where women are so unsafe, how you can write a female character who is so native stupid as Kalpana? Dear Bollywood, ask real women about how much time do we spend on background research before going out with a man. Fifth, Anushka Sharma. Anushka Sharma, Tani in Rab De Bana Di Jodi. The queen of stupidity, Tani is a character who is unhappy in her marriage to a sobby Suri. So she starts having affair with her sobby husband Suri, but this time without mustache. And Tani is so stupid that she falls to recognize her own partner without mustache. But what is more even worse, that Tani actually falls for the man who is totally roadside Romeo. 6. Preeti in Kabir Singh. Even after cracking one of the toughest exams of MBBS in India, sadly the character of Preeti is shown as a complete idiot when it's come to love. She has been reduced to the object that Kabir kisses her without her permission. He decided everything for her. Still, she falls in the love with the toxic character who has no respect for her consent. She has no self-respect and it's okay be with the man who reduced her entire identity just being called his girl. Even throughout the movie, this character continues to behave such an idiot way. Dear Bollywood, please stop writing women in such role rather than shows us the strong, independent, fierce, intelligent women of 2021. What you take on this story? Do comment and let us know. For more updates, keep watch What's Up Bollywood.